Change A on the first one. What you think I'm going to change on this one? B. Very good. Okay. Now, what is my A now?
0. Oh, 1. Sorry.
Thank you. So how on my y-axis you already know that. Now, what is my B?
2.
And the same way I'm doing this is the same way I want it done on your exit ticket. Anybody confused? Say something now. If you do your steps exactly the same way I'm doing them, you will get 100% on your exit ticket. And you will understand your classwork. If you do follow the same steps. Can I move on to sketching now?
Yes.
Okay? All right. I'm not right with it. This is 2 by pi over the absolute value of b. That's the rule. And b is what here? No, is what? 2. So I substitute my b for 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. 2's cancel out. Can I graph now? No. If anybody says no, then I'm not graphing. So if you have it down, you should be looking at everything, trying to memorize your amplitude and period equations. Okay? Yes?
So is this the same thing or over that?
I'm going to show you. I'm gonna do it right below it so you can compare them. That's why I left that space there. Yes. Good.
I figured it out already.
All right. Can I go now?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Anybody gonna say no? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna do these right next to each other, so y'all can see that the period. I'm gonna take my lesson from my friend earlier. All right. So, hey guys. When I'm doing my y-axis, do I always have to say that this is 1?
No.
Couldn't I do this? Right? The reason I'm saying that is because sometimes people will only see 2 marks or 3 marks, and then they'll get a number of 5, and they'll go, Mr. Talib, I can't graph it. It's only 2 or 3 marks. Can't you just go 5, 10? Couldn't you? You could count whatever common, you can go in whatever order you want, right? Okay. I just wanted to remind you of that. All right. So now I already took care of my y-axis using my what? Amplitude. Amplitude relates to
Height.
and height relates to what axis?
Right.
The what axis? The y-axis relates to what? Amplitude. Okay. Middle schoolers say height. High schoolers say amplitude. All right. What's my period? Pi. Now, does it have to stop there? No, but you got to get that first period before you can copy it.
Yes, sir.
Copy and paste as you guys do. Okay? So, I got to break it up. So what do I do? Split it in half. What's my half?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 2. Now, what 3 things can I graph right now in one period?
Your x-intercept.
My x-intercepts or my solutions. 0, 0 is 1 point. My solution or my zeros. Okay? Here, here, here. Okay? Now what do I have to do? I got cut it in half again. Y'all forgetting the order. So now what's here?
And now it's 1 pi over 4.
Thank you. 1 pi over 4. What's half of a half? Okay, let's break this down. Okay, what do I multiply pi over 2 by to get a half? I multiply by a half. And what will I get? Pi over 4. Now if I want to get half of pi over 4, what do I multiply by? A half. And what's that answer?
Pi over
Oh, no.
8.
Pi over 8. Now if I want half of pi over 8, what do I do?
Multiply by half.
Multiply by half, and what's that?
Pi over 16.
And if I want half a power of 16, I do what? Okay, I see now that I should be able to go back to 6th grade and give you some credit for that, because now you got it. So technically, you multiply by a half, or you just multiply the denominator by 2. That's how you get your halves. Okay? Now, that's done with that middle school lesson. Now, at power of 4, what am I going to have? An amplitude of 1. Okay? Now, let's go back to this. This is my 1 pi over 4. Technically, this is what?
2 pi over 4.
2 pi over 4, because that reduces to pi over 2. Therefore, that makes this?
3 pi over 4.
3 pi over 4. And technically, this is what?
4 pi over 4.
4 pi over 4. Do that little check just to make sure you got things flowing. You know what I'm saying? Got me? Feel me?
So why is that? So why is that one the only one that got power to the rest of the denominators?
This has the same denominator. This has the same denominator. But what can I do with this?
Reduce it.
Thank you. Can I do anything with this?
No.
Can I reduce this?
So it go 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way.
Because
You
I'm
split
breaking
it
it
up
up
into
into...
4 parts.
Go on, girl. You can count that. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. So what am I going to have at 3 pi over 4? Amplitude down.
The same.
Okay? Same distance. I like how you said that. Same distance. Alright, and this is a sine what? A sine what? Curve. A sine what? Curve. Curve, not peaks. So I don't want to see this. No points, no mountaintops. Okay?